you to relax, completely relax. Bend your knees like this and just hold them like that. Okay? Hold them like that. I'm gonna start over here. Take a deep breath in, bring your arms forward. Hold it in, hold it, hold it. Good. Out. Did you feel that?
Yes, I did.
How was that?
It feels very good.
It's okay? No pain with that?
No, no pain.
Okay, we're gonna continue right here. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe out. Good. Breathe in, upper neck. Let go. Let go. Woo! Did you feel that?
Mm-hmm.
Did you hear it?
Yes.
Nice. Any pain with that?
No.
Okay. This side, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
This side, let go, let go.